Hey guys, I just wanted to show you in a quick video about this little box that I have. So this is a wooden box that I painted with the Raspberry Pi logo. It's basically my project box for my Raspberry Pi stuff. And inside, as you can already see, I got this kit, this 3D printed files from Alexandre Chappel. I'm going to butcher his name. I'm really sorry. I'm going to put a link in the description or in the tweet or whatever. So basically he made these sorting boxes for his workshop, and I thought I'd use the same system for this box. So basically you glue this sort of frame, the grid at the bottom, and then you've got these boxes where they're kind of got the grooves in them, and then you put them in, and when you lift the box, it technically doesn't move around. I mean, this one will fall over because if I tilt it and there's stuff in it, it will fall over, but technically it just doesn't move around. And then when I put another one in, it's solid. So that's the box that I have for my Raspberry Pi stuff. But I had an accidental discovery because, as you can see, there's a gap here. So it means that these boxes can still move. Usually what I do is I've got my calipers, and I just put my calipers in there, and then they sort of, well, actually the other way around. So the calipers sort of slide in there. And I've also got a notebook that fits down there as well. But I made a discovery today. So this is a Raspberry Pi Zero stand from, I think it was Adafruit that made this, and I think I've also got an STL that I made myself for a bigger Pi, but this one is the Raspberry Pi Zero. I made a discovery that, because I wanted it in here like this, I wanted to have a Raspberry Pi Zero on it, and then I could be able just to say, sit down at another desk, take it out, and then do my project, and then put it back in the box. That's the idea. But my discovery is this: because of that gap, if I do this, it actually sits perfectly in there and it doesn't move. I mean, if I do that, yeah, but I mean, it just does not move. So now I can have multiple of these boards and have like different projects running off of here. And then I can put them in for storage, and then I can put them back like that. This is how funny, like little things that just doesn't quite work out, and then they have a different use. I mean, I can still put my calipers in there, and now I have this cool little nubby bit for my Raspberry Pi Zero. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. I'm James, Raspberry Jam Berlin. Please subscribe, and see you guys later.